I can't read this. My glasses. I don't have my glasses on and my contacts are blurry. So could you hold this? No, not that far away. Right here. Right here. I have to train you guys. Right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Please welcome back to the stage. She is in your showcast this evening. None other than Miss Gigi Lexus. That's better. I can see it. Please welcome back to the stage. And Gigi is your current reigning Miss Wisconsin U.S. Proud FI. She's sporting the Packer apparel. Go ahead, walk her out. There you go. The Packers play the Ravens tomorrow. If you're not doing anything, come on down to Napalese for some chicken noodle soup, homemade, at halftime. Gigi will be here. She won't be sporting what she has on, but she'll be here to hoop and holler. Right? Okay. I won't be here. I will be in Milwaukee, and my mother-in-law has to go back to Florida tomorrow. I wish she'd stay a couple more days, because I haven't really had any time to spend with her. But she's hopefully coming back next spring. We're going to go to Georgetown. We've already made a date. Michael, you have to stay home. Mom and I are home. Right, Mom? Okay. It's a ladies' thing. Please welcome back to the stage. He is your current reigning Mr. Napalese and your current reigning Mr. Wisconsin U.S. Proud. Am I Mr. Sugar Brown? Please welcome back to the stage. She's a former Miss Napalese Sushi Buffet. Skinny bitch. Do you need a few burritos, girl? Sushi. Do you need a few burritos? A meaty burrito?
Oh, I need sushi. I need raw fish.
Oh, eat. Move on down the street, honey. I just can see her eating those little octopus where they cling to your mouth. Oval Office. Is that where she's going? No wonder why we haven't seen her in there forever. You working at the Oval Office, girl? Oh, Lord. Well, at least, you know, when I go in there, I can look at them and say, my boobs are bigger than theirs. And I don't even have mine on when I go in there. Imagine that. Please welcome to the stage. She is your current reigning Miss Shelter Plus, Miss Anita Buffet. She's sporting the leopard print this evening.
I'm a cougar.
And Crocs. Oh, and she's got her Crocs on. Yes, she does.
I'm a fat bitch that can't walk on heels.
We know. Trust me. I work with you at Pride Alive. Please welcome to the stage, all the way from across the street, she is your current reigning Miss Wisconsin, Miss Emerald City, US of A. I'm so over it right now. I'm off track. You guys. I'm off track. Huh? I need to what? Don't say that really loud. Mom's sitting here. Watch your mouth. None other than Miss Winona. She is your current reigning Miss Napalese 2014. My sister Amir Illusions. We want to say thank you to Mark, Butch, Stacy, and Loretta for having us. We enjoy being here. Did you guys all have a good time? Let them know it by applauding for Mark, Loretta, Butch, and Stacy, the owners of Napalese Lounge. Let's hear for our DJ this evening, Troy. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a good night. Let's party and